day after Christmas, I visited the living nativity in Postojna Cave. Why not? After numerous family gatherings, I was ready for a different kind of a holiday experience. But why would one go 115 meters underground? Between December 25 and 30, Postojna Cave hosts a high-quality musical and scenic spectacle. Visitors first travel through the cave by train and then follow a 5-kilometer route presenting 18 key scenes leading up to the birth of Jesus. A fairy tale atmosphere is created by theatrical lighting, illuminated projections, and meditative music. Some of the key scenes include the Annunciation to Zachariah, the Annunciation to the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Annunciation to Joseph, the census, and the birth of Jesus. The spectacle concludes with a final concert performed by outstanding opera singers. This experience inspired me to create my own nativity scene in the form of a shadow theater, using firm A3 and A4 paper, string lights, and fabric. From an educational perspective, such a trip would be highly valuable to organize with children. After the visit, children could express their experience through art activities, such as painting the atmosphere with tempera or watercolors, modeling the Olm from clay, or creating nativity scenes from pedagogically unstructured materials. By expressing personal experiences through art, we not only open new opportunities for learning, but also create a work that preserves a lasting personal memory.